Let's take you on a tour inside our manufacturing facility. Every project we build starts here, across 1.5 million square feet of pure creation. It begins in our steel factory, the backbone of every major structure we build. Here, raw steel transforms into engineered strength. Automated cutting, CNC drilling, precision welding, and rigorous quality checks ensure every frame is built to endure, from high-load installations to long-term, weather-resistant structures. This is where durability is engineered. Then we move into our aluminium facility. This division handles lightweight, corrosion-resistant structures designed for projects that require both speed and mobility. From profile cutting to assembly, every component is crafted to provide strength without compromising efficiency or deployment time. Inside our PVC factory, design takes form. Roofs, panels, sidewalls and specialty fabrics are measured, welded, reinforced and tested entirely in-house. This ensures perfect fitment, weather protection and long-term durability across all our tent and modular systems. We also operate a dedicated tarpaulin cleaning unit, an in-house advantage that allows us to refurbish materials, extend product lifespan and maintain a clean, professional finish for every project. The next stage is our fit-out division, where interiors take shape. Flooring, partitions, wall systems, electrical works, HVAC integration, furniture and decorative finishes all are manufactured and assembled under one roof. This is where structural shells become complete, functional environments. Our porter cabin and modular building unit produces customised portable rooms, site offices, accommodation units and specialised cabins. These units offer mobility, strength and long-term usability across diverse applications. Our central warehouse ensures smooth project execution. Thousands of components are stored, organised and prepared for dispatch, supported by a logistics fleet that mobilises projects across the UAE, GCC and international destinations. This is what end-to-end truly means at Alfares International. From raw materials to finished structures, from design to delivery, every stage is controlled, crafted and completed within our own facilities. Thank you for joining us on this tour.